everyone, Laura from Gold Star Work here. Today I am making this little Christmas tree card. So here's a different way to do Christmas trees on a card with watercolours, and it's very, very easy, so I think anyone would be able to do this. Today I'm going to do another Christmas card. This time it's going to be a watercolour card, and probably the easiest one yet. So I think anybody could do this. What you need is some decorator's tape. So I use this green one here, and I'm just going to rip some pieces off. And make some triangles. I'm going to just put some colours in. I've already got some cadmium red watercolour. I'm going to do some permanent rose. And some cadmium yellow. And some phthalo blue. And maybe a bit of phthalo green as well. And I'm going to get my round brush. This is a number 10. And I'm just going to mix some of those colours with a bit of water. And then I'm going to get some nice clean water on my brush, and I'm just going to put water all over my triangles. And I'm just going to drop some colours on. And I'm going to get some glitter. This is called Crystal Snow Ultra Fine Glitter. And while it's all wet, I'm just going to sprinkle some glitter on. Then I have to leave that to dry. can leave your little trees just like that, or you could do some little decorations, and I'm just going to use a black pigment pen. And there's my watercolour trees with some details of some liner pen. So I just need to make this into a card and then it'll be finished. And here is the finished card. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the glitter on it, but it is there. It's just a nice subtle sparkle, which was what I was going for. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.